Hello everyone, this is Raja Upperlipperlipperlipper. Today I'm going to show you how to make a filter coffee with a filter coffee machine, Philips. And this is our machine, it's brand new. It has a filter and it's not for one time, it's lifetime. Just like my certificate that I get 2 days before this. Okay, what you need to do and what you need to know, I will explain you. For 3 cups of coffee, you need 3 cups of water. If you want this type of cup, it's equal to 1 cup. If you want to drink a coffee with this type of cup, you need to put a little bit more coffee. It's obvious. Okay. Now we're going to make this type of cup. So 1 cup, and you can watch it here. Okay. The next step is coffee. We need to pour a little bit more coffee for a good taste. This is our coffee spoon. So 1. So 2 and 3. It's a big spoon, so it's okay. You can just put a little bit for little Raja. Okay. Now, you have to close this and put the button and wait until the coffee is filled here. We will meet you after 3-4 minutes.
गोरों की न कालों की दुनिया है दिल वालों की हाँ गोरों की न कालों की.
As you can see, the coffee is got off. It's finished and we can fill it and drink. If you want coffee with sugar, it's obvious you have to pour sugar into your cup, then fill the coffee. And it's very important, that's why I have to say it in Armenian to be very correct. It's Armenian Indian dialect. So, Pati normal makarvi, Yev Pati Litzvi Menak, Hatuk Surche Vora Khoshor Agatsatse. Makrelu Amar Hanumenk. So, Hanumenk. Sa. Levumenk normal, Sijun, Denumenk, Munze. Yevete Kofen Shotting Circle, Karogan Keselitsnel, Keseto, Kenopkayo, Takatsnel. Yevpetin Shem, Aister Aveliu Shadil, Kofen Yev Patraste, Automat, Shianjatri. Petit, Zerov, Anjates. So, be happy with your coffee machine. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and push the like button.